Located in Cambridge Village, this beautifully landscaped two-story home with walkout basement is one of the finest in northern Vanderburgh County. From the moment you enter the two-story foyer leading into the great room with its soaring coffered ceilings and massive wall of windows, you know you are in someplace special. The feeling of comfort is enhanced by the rich, variegated colors of the Brazilian Angico floors and warm tones of the custom-built solid cherry cabinets in the kitchen and throughout the home. With 2 ensuite bedrooms, an elevator, a heated pool, lots of space for entertaining, amazing storage, and many other special design features and upgrades, this is a home for a large or multi-generation family that one must see to fully appreciate. The home is situated on a 0.797 acre lot with over 140 feet frontage along a small lake with a central fountain. The property boundary extends to the center of the lake, and it is available only to the 5 adjoining property owners bordering it, and they voluntarily share in its service. The all-brick and stone exterior is a mix of queen-size Yorktown antique and Mohawk clinker bricks from Colonial Brick's 100-year-old beehive kilns at Cayuga, Indiana. You are welcome to the home through a 5-foot wide by 8-foot tall pair of solid mahogany doors from Fehrenbacher with antique glass window inserts. All rooms on the main floor are trimmed with crown moldings from Fehrenbacher. Interior doors throughout the home are solid wood, also from Fehrenbacher. The windows on the main and second floor have cellular blinds. The double full-length windows simulate a French door. The generous size of this room accommodates a large table, china cabinet, and side buffet. The great room fireplace has gas logs and a Pinecrest hand-carved surround and mantel. It can be lit and extinguished via a convenient wall switch. The kitchen is a visual delight, furnished with an extensive set of Amish-made solid cherry cabinets and granite tops. The main sink is a double basin farm sink of hammered copper, as is the prep sink in the island. A door from the kitchen leads directly to the evergreen composite deck, adding another beautiful space for family and guests to share refreshments and meals. The deck provides an elevated view of the pool, backyard landscaping, lake, and west across a bridge to the golf course and great sunsets. Into the main floor ensuite bedroom through French doors. It has an engineered honey oak floor that was installed in 2019. 3 windows and a door to the deck bring in great light and views and access to the deck and exit ramp. The blinds are remote controlled. The master bath features custom-made solid cherry cabinets. The shower is a roll-in, has an overhead heater and dual shower controls. A special design feature is that the master bath leads to the large closet with built-in cabinets, which in turn leads directly to the laundry room and back hall and entrance. The ThyssenKrupp LEV elevator is 3 foot by 5 foot and services all 3 floors. It has a 900-pound capacity, so it is useful for moving people, luggage, boxes, and small furnishings. It is electronically driven, not hydraulic. The home's auxiliary generator prevents elevator interruption in the event of a power outage. The second floor ensuite bedroom is at the head of the stairs. The windows bring in a lot of light and provide a great view of the lake and beyond. The bath has custom-built solid cherry cabinets with a slightly different finish than those on the main floor. The tile floor features an accent inlay of granite that matches the sink counters. And there is a built-in bench conveniently beside the spacious shower. The south bedroom has a built-in vanity, an ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet. The room was recarpeted in 2020 and opaque cellular blinds to reduce bright morning light. The east bedroom has opaque cellular blinds reducing bright morning light. It has a 6x6 walk-in closet and an entry into the Jack and Jill bathroom. It also has a secret room hidden behind a bookcase and is the highlight of the home for children. The bonus room has a window that allows egress, so it can be used as a bedroom. The utility closet holds the upstairs HVAC system, but also has quite a bit of storage space. Doors provide access to the spaces behind the 2 sides of the bonus room, so that they can be used as large storage closets. The basement has many rooms and areas, some of which can be used differently depending on the needs and tastes of the owner. The kitchen and bar area is roughly 12 foot by 10 foot. With a wide preparation and serving aisle, and has custom-built solid cherry cabinets. There is an informal dining game area and a full bath and changing room with a custom bench and cubby storage unit that is included. The exercise room comes with wall-mounted TV. There are also 2 storage rooms that can be used as shops. The 16 foot by 34 foot pool has 3, 4, and 6 foot depths. The pool has a natural gas-fired heater and a battery-powered chair for raising and lowering swimmers. Many design features and interior choices have been made to enhance the use of the home for a handicapped resident or guest. Electrical switches have been set lower than normal to make them easier to reach for someone in a wheelchair. Grab bars are in all the bathrooms, stairs have continuous handrails, some window blinds are remote controlled, and the fireplace may be lit, turned off from conveniently located wall switches. Cambridge features a Tim Liddy designed championship 18-hole golf course artfully etched into 170 acres of gently rolling Indiana farmland. The recently expanded Cambridge banquet room now holds up to 350 or more people and features spectacular views of the 18-hole at Cambridge golf course. The recently renovated Cambridge Grill is a full-service restaurant open to the public offering daily lunch and dinner specials. These specials cover a variety of different options, offering a different taste each day and spectacular views of Cambridge Golf Course for you to enjoy while having dinner.